This is news from Family Council. In a late-night vote on January 3rd, House Democrats passed a bill attempting to end the partial government shutdown that also funds the Planned Parenthood abortion giant. The vote on the bill came just hours after Democrats took the House and installed Nancy Pelosi as Speaker. Democrats want to restore the $100 million President Donald Trump took away from Planned Parenthood when he defunded its international arm during his first week in office. The Trump policy prohibits taxpayer funding to international groups that promote and/or provide abortion overseas. The House voted 241 to 190 for the bill, with all Democrats voting for it and all but 7 Republicans voting against it. Despite passing the pro-abortion measure, in a statement of administrative position for President Trump, the White House said the president would veto the bill, writing, "If it were presented to the president, his advisors would recommend that he veto the bill." Family Council, promoting, protecting, and strengthening traditional family values in Arkansas. Visit us online at familycouncil.org.